that Congress government in Karnataka has not implemented the guarantees which have been promised to the people of Karnataka during the elections 2023 in the month of April, May. And I have read it in the newspaper that the 5 guarantees which have not been implemented by Karnataka government. And they have not reached the beneficiaries. This has been said by the Chief Minister of Telangana and also his son and other leaders from BJP. It is not true. See, we came to power in Karnataka in the month of May. We took oath on 20th of May. Myself, Deputy Chief Minister, other 8 ministers, we took oath on that day. We went to Cabinet Hall and took a decision to implement all the 5 guarantees. And orders were issued the same day. The orders were issued on the same day, 20th May 2023. But it took some time to implement these 5 guarantees. The first guarantee, which was implemented from June 11th, 2023, that is Shakti Yojana. That is Shakti Yojana. Day before yesterday, we have celebrated that 100 crores and 47 women travelled at free of cost. 100 crore and 47 women travelled in government buses at free of cost. You can verify this also. If you want to verify, you can verify. Today, every day, 61 to 62 lakh women, irrespective of their religion, irrespective of their caste, irrespective of their status, they can, at free of cost, they can travel. Labor class particularly, employees, and all other sections of the society, they can travel at free of cost. My wife can also travel at free of cost. His wife can also travel at free of cost. She can also travel at free of cost. See, we are not distinguishing the woman on caste and sex and religion. So the women are very, very happy. I don't know why they are telling the lie. See, I can understand if Chandrasekhar Rao makes a statement that these guarantees are not implemented because he is facing the election, he is telling that. I can understand because for the election purposes, he is saying lie. His son is also telling lie. But I don't know why others are telling this. Please understand, this is a fact, this is a truth. There is no exaggeration. Not a single woman is added here without traveling free of cost. All women, 147 lakh women till 23rd evening of this month. That is Shakti Yojana.